Today we're going to walk through exactly how to build a high converting product page using a tool called Storebuild.ai. No design experience? No problem. Not sure how to write compelling product descriptions? Storebuild's got you covered. This tool uses AI to do pretty much all the heavy lifting for you so you can launch faster, test products more easily, and start making sales without spending hours stuck in Shopify's backend. Let's walk through it step by step. So what is Storebuild.ai? First, a little quick intro. Storebuild.ai is a web-based tool designed to help you build fully functional Shopify stores using AI. You don't need to know how to code, design, or even write copy. You just answer a few questions, pick your niche, and the platform creates your store for you, including the homepage, banners, colors, and product pages. It's designed to be beginner friendly, but it's powerful enough to help experienced sellers launch test stores faster as well. So what makes it especially useful is that it helps you generate high converting product pages automatically, complete with images, descriptions, and even product imports via Zendrop. So instead of spending 10 hours building out your store and product page, Storebuild lets you get started in like 15 minutes or less. Step 1, getting started with Storebuild.ai. All right, so let's get into how it works. The first thing you'll do is click the link down below in the description to get started with Storebuild.ai, and you can go ahead and follow along. You'll see a Build My Free Store button, so go ahead and click on that. Then you'll be prompted to enter your name, email, and create a password. It's free to start, and the interface is super clean. Once you're in Storebuild, it guides you through an 8-step process. You can choose your niche, pick your color scheme, choose a homepage banner, connect your Shopify account, link Shopify, import products with Zendrop, build your store, and go live. We'll break each of these down because each one affects how your product page looks and performs. So let's go ahead and get started. So here it's going to ask us to pick a niche, so you can either choose clothing, pets, tech, home, sports, or inspiration. I'll go ahead and I'll just click clothing, and we'll go ahead and just got to fill out this information to get started. Step 2, choosing your niche and branding. So Storebuild gives you a list of niche options to choose from. Things like clothing, pet care, tech gadgets, sports and outdoor, and there's even a need inspiration option if you're not sure where to start. This lets Storebuild generate ideas for you. Once you pick a niche, Storebuild starts tailoring everything for you. Your color palette, homepage layout, and product suggestions. Then you just pick your branding colors. You can go with something bold and bright or keep it minimal and clean. This part's surprisingly important. The color and aesthetic of your store affect trust and engagement. Storebuild makes it easy by giving you curated options that look really good. After you've selected your colors, you'll choose a homepage banner. These banners are themed to match your niche, so if you're building a pet store, you'll see dog and cat themed designs. If it's a fitness brand, you'll see gym styled images. These homepage banners set the tone for your store, and you don't have to worry about finding or designing them yourself. So after logging in, here we are. We can go ahead and choose our color for our clothing brand. We can choose orange, green, blue, red. For this example, I'll go with green and click on next. And here's where we can go ahead and choose that banner. So we can go ahead and cycle through these different options, sort of see how it looks. And I liked that first option that it gave us. I think that looks pretty modern and clean. So go ahead and select that and click next. And the AI is building the store. So step 3, connect your Shopify account. Next, you'll link your Shopify store. And if you don't already have one, Storebuild walks you through setting one up. And they recommend going ahead and picking a Shopify plan right away. Now, why is that? Because Storebuild won't fully function on a free Shopify trial. You need to be on an actual plan. But Shopify's basic plan is just $1 for the first 3 months. So it's still super affordable to get started. Once you've picked your plan and logged into your Shopify dashboard, you can just copy your store URL and paste it back into Storebuild. Now everything is linked and ready to go. So next we got to go claim my store. So I'll just go ahead and click on that. So from here, I'm just going to go click on create Shopify account. And here we can go ahead and type in our email address and click start free trial. We'll go ahead and skip the customized setup for now. And once we give a password, we'll go ahead and click on create Shopify account. We'll go ahead and try out the basic plan, and you just got to fill out your credit card information. Okay, now we have our Shopify store set up. So we can go back to Storebuild and we'll go ahead and click next. I went ahead and copied my URL from my Shopify store. So this is where we go ahead and paste it here and go ahead and click save, and we'll go ahead and click next. Step 4, importing products using Zendrop. So after your store is connected, you'll get to one of the coolest features, product importing. StoreBuild integrates with Zendrop, a dropshipping supplier platform that lets you import winning products with just a few clicks. This is huge if you're new to dropshipping or you want to test products without holding inventory. You just install Zendrop from within the StoreBuild interface, connect it to your store, and you're good to go. Once that's set up, StoreBuild will auto-import products to your Shopify store. Images, descriptions, pricing, and all. So from here, we'll just go ahead, click on Add Winning Products. We'll install Zendrop, which will bring us back to our Shopify store. From here, we'll go ahead, click Install. We'll go ahead and click Approve, and this will bring us back to Storebuild.ai. All right, so we already did that. So now we just got to click on Receive Store. And lastly, we'll just click on Go Live to go ahead and publish our store. All right, all we need to do is go ahead, click on Next, and sweet, it says congrats, your store is ready. Now we just need to go to remove the password from our store in Shopify, and the store will be live. So we'll go ahead and click on remove password, and that'll bring us back to our Shopify account. And first things first, we need to add our store address here and click save. Now that we did that, we'll go ahead and turn off the password restrictions and click save. All right, so now let's go ahead and view our store. We'll go ahead and open that up by just clicking on view store. All right, and as you can see, here is our website. And as you can see, this just took a couple of minutes to get a fully functional clothing website here. So let's go ahead, we'll come to catalog, and now it's got some winning products in here. And again, we can go ahead and customize all of this, but just to show you what the products look like, let's go ahead and we'll take a look at this maybe 4-in-1 self-cleaning brush, and we can see just how clean these product pages are and how easy it is for a potential customer to go ahead and buy. So we've got some different variations here to choose from. We can go ahead and add it to cart. We can buy with shop. As you can see, there's all these beautiful product images in here that we didn't have to do anything to get in there other than just, follow the prompts in Storebuild.ai. So we can come back here to catalog. We can look at some of these other product pages. And again, we can go ahead and change all of these out. We can customize all of this by coming back into Shopify. We can come to online store and click on themes. And then here we can go ahead and click on customize. And now we can go ahead and make any changes here that we would like. And if you've never used Shopify theme editor, it's very simple. Anything you just click on here or the left-hand side here, you can go ahead and make all these changes on the right-hand side. So if we come here to our catalog page, we can change how this looks. We can go ahead and come in here and change what this whole product page looks like. But as you can see, this started off as a very functional store and very functional product pages. Step 5, building your store and product page. So now here's where it all comes together. Once you've chosen your niche, set your branding, connected your Shopify store, and synced Zendrop, StoreBuild has built the store for you. It's fully automated. You don't have to mess with product pages or edit layouts manually unless you want to. And that said, you can still customize everything. So if you want to tweak the product title or change the image order, you can do that. Want to add urgency tags like only 3 left in stock or change the color of your add to cart button? That's easy too. The product page that you get is designed to convert by default, but StoreBuild gives you the flexibility to make it yours. Here's what a typical Storebuild.ai product page includes. High quality product images, a clean title and subtitle, pricing and optional discounts, star ratings and reviews, which you can import these later as well, a short feature list or product highlights, an add to cart button that stands out, and what's nice is how uncluttered everything is. It doesn't feel like one of those messy AliExpress dropshipping templates. The layout's clean, focused, and mobile friendly. Step 6, going live. Now, once you're happy with how your store looks, it's time to hit that green go live button. And just like that, you've got a working branded Shopify store with high converting product pages and ready to sell inventory. There's no need to write a single line of code, no need to spend hours editing themes, no need to hire a designer or a copywriter. It's pretty crazy how fast it all comes together. What makes a product page convert well? So now that we have our website and our product pages, let's take a step back for a second and talk about what makes a product page high converting in the first place. This is important whether you're using StoreBuild or building it all by hand. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Number 1, clear, compelling product descriptions. StoreBuild.ai uses AI to generate descriptions, but you should still read them and make minor edits if needed. Try to speak to your ideal customer. What do they care about? What pain point does this product solve? 2, high quality images. Make sure your product photos are clear, well lit, and show the the product from multiple angles. Zendrop usually provides good ones, but always double check. 3. Trust elements. If you can, add star ratings, testimonials, or badges like free shipping or satisfaction guaranteed. These go a long way. 4. Urgency and scarcity. Use language like limited time only or only 5 left to encourage people to buy now. 5. Fast load times and mobile optimization. Good news is that Storebuild.ai pages are designed to load quickly and look great on phones, which is where most traffic comes from anyways. If you keep these things in mind, then you're setting yourself up for more sales. Tips to customize your Storebuild product page further. Once your product page is live, you can still make edits inside Shopify. Here are a few easy wins. Add an FAQ section that answers common buyer questions. Insert customer reviews using judge.me or Luke's. Tweak the headline to be more benefit focused. Add a short video or GIF demoing the product. Add related products or bundles to increase average order value. And remember, your store is never really done. Think of it as something you test, learn from, and improve over time. Look, setting up a high converting product page used to take hours of writing, designing, and trial and error. But with Storebuild.ai, you can cut the time down to just a few minutes like you saw today. You still have control, you can still customize things, but the foundation is already done for you. Beautiful layout, optimized structure, solid copy, and products that are ready to sell. So if you want to test your first product or launch a new store without wasting time, this tool makes it simple. And if you want to get started with Storebuild.ai, Shopify, Zendrop, or any other products that we recommend, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.